No, the 13th.
It's a beautiful
12th
blue.
senior citizens and the 13th year.
Nice.
So I got 2 classes.
Everybody's doing something different. That's what I like. Everyone is different and creative.
I'm going. I got to be there.
Look at those little tiny flowers. And look at you. Love it. So, are we having fun? Yeah! Love it.
Oh, there she go.
Look how beautiful. So peaceful. You look so peaceful in there.
Thank you.
Look at you. Yeah. Oh, how pretty. With that little bunny.
I'm fixing Eric's. He just threw it down.
Look how beautiful.
See the fairy's wings?
And
She's
then that
sitting in
one.
there. This one's hiding.
That one's
My
hiding.
little fairy, you'll never see her.
Good job.